this is what we're wearing. This is Siley, and we are going where? Where are we going? Winter Wonderland, and this is exactly where we have to actually get off. Maybe let's move on. It's very cold. I'm choosing. It is. She's nice. Look at me. I'm looking a shady, like a magician or something. Anyways, क्या होता है ना यहाँ पे धूप इतनी ज़्यादा होती है ना वो चीरती हुई जाती है. Especially it's not about the cold. I think it's horrible down here because of the wind in here. Anyway, see, it's a little sunny, but you know, अब जब वहाँ पे झूले के बिन साजन झूला झूलूं मैं पाता कैसे. है ना ठंड लग रही है ना? लग रही है. I know it. 4:36. Okay. Such a task. I don't know who said it's so easy. It's not easy. It's not easy to find out. Okay, we actually got a bus. That's the bus. We're gonna board. Let's go. And now we're in the bus. Let's go. This is the legendary Hyde Park. Is that what it's called? Hyde Park. And that's where the Winter Wonderland is. Let's see. That's an old uncle. That's an old tree. That's a young guy with an old soul. So we are finally arrived.
Do you want to go there?
Here?
No.
On the oh god, that is crazy. I'm just gonna spend all my mama papa ka wealth today. The lesser known fact about London is that everything has a queue. You always have to make a cut from queues. Featuring Siley, the Winterland, and me.
Fine here.
Haunted house. अगर चीखें ही मारनी है तो इसे देख के क्यों मारनी है? इसे देख के क्यों नहीं मारनी है? Right? मेरे हाथ लाल हो जाते हैं और हाथों हाथों दूसरी स्टार्ट हो जाती है. क्यों? ऐसे क्यों होता है? I think the brown one.
The brown, yes.
The brown one. Player 1, player 2. The ball. I'm a lactose tolerant person, but it's so fucking cold that you have to make a little cut. It was so beautiful. It was literally the best. You guys should also try it. It was very beautiful. But there's no diagonally ऐसे सब दिखता है. ऐसे दिखता है, सब यूं दिखता है. It's so fun. And the best part about being on the right, you get to say hi to everyone out here. मैं झूल कर आया हूँ उसके 3 दिन बाद 4 दिन बाद 1 हफ्ते बाद की फलाना झूला गिर गया और फिर हमने और पर यही तो थ्रिल है. माँ बाप वो झूला नहीं झूलते पर हर साल मुझे 2-3 दफा वो घुमाने स्पेशल लगता है मुझे झूला झुलाना. वो बेचारी इतनी और तो मजा आता है ऊपर से नीचे देखता देखो ना बेचारी यूं ही होती है. हर बार मैं देखूं मैं यूं होता हूँ और हर बार वो यूं होती है. वो बस देख ही रही होती है मुझे यूं. अगर ऐसे मेरी को राउंड पे है ना तो ऐसे देखते रहेंगे मुझे. Families are my favorite topic. वॉलपेपर देखते हैं अक्सर लोग फिर उसके बाद वो देखते हैं अच्छा that's my mother. हमने क्या that's my mother. You wanna see more pictures? I'm never interested in knowing about how you are doing. I'm always like how's everyone at home. कम बोलना होता पर नहीं भौंकते रहता है बंदा भौंकते रहता है. कितनी बातें करता है मम्मी पापा मम्मी. So now this is officially the washroom break. We all as a gang, the gang is going officially to
Washroom break and it's fucking freezing cold.
That's the reason we are going to the loo. So now you're heading to the looping. बहुत अच्छा था. स्टार्टिंग करते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा होता है तो उसके बाद बेकार होता है. Conclusion is ज़बान चल नहीं रही. बोलने को बहुत कुछ है. खैर the roller coaster has always been a kind of dream. Especially if you remember that there was a movie called Final Destination, so I always dreamt of it. Not a very pleasing movie, but I always loved it. And it's off the list now. What do you think, Savani? I love this cap. It's off. Welcome to the real world, and that's real me. The movie's over. So for the updates, पहले हमने वहाँ पे ट्रेन गलत पकड़ ली थी. सॉरी हमारी पहले बस क्या हो गया था हमारे साथ जो भी हुआ था यू रिमेंबर दैट नो. सो नाउ फॉर द अपडेट्स इज कि हम गलत डायरेक्शन की बस में बैठ गए. वी आर द 52 बट इट वाज इन रॉन्ग डायरेक्शन. सो या सो दैट्स फॉर द अपडेट्स. फॉर द अपडेट्स इज दैट वी अगेन हैव पुट इन ऑन द रॉन्ग बस. Hat-trick. Finally, third time is the charmer. We have finally made it to the right bus.
Let's go.
5 of us. So we have finally made it to the where the spoons. Let's eat. And officially we're done with the day. We're heading back home. Not home, I'm sorry. To the room. Let's see. It's gonna take 45 minutes or something. I reached. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna just take out the ticket, which is in my bag, and the ticket. This is the ticket, how it looks like. And anyways, I'm finally glad, I'm happy. So we're gonna just get out, and we're good to go. 1, 2, 3, open the fucking door for me, bro. They listen to me what I say. In life, we are getting a shortcut. And anyways, yeah, that's all of us. Let's just get back home. I'm really excited to get back home, to get cozy into my bed.